Complete the square is the next thing we're going to be talking about. If you want to solve for x here, and you have to complete the square to do that. It's not easy to find it. I mean, we could bring it over and do the quadratic formula, but for now we're going to do the complete the square because it's going to be complicated and very useful for other things, especially when we use algebraic formulas. So what we need to do here is say, what would be the perfect number to get our two brackets? You know, we want to say what would our two brackets be that would be our perfect number. And I'm just going to make this 4 to make it easier for right now. So we'd have to have x plus 2 and x plus 2. Because we'd have 2x would give us 4x, and that would work. However, we get this 99 here, right? That's not that great. So how are we going to fix that? Well, let's multiply this out and see what it would give us. It would give us x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. Now, this 4 can be borrowed from this 99. Okay, so let's do that. Let's borrow from the 99 and say, all right, that's fine. We're going to take our 99 and do plus 99. And we have to do minus 4 because we added 4 here, equals 11. Now, this can be factored out into x plus 2 squared, right? Now we have to bring all these together. So 99 minus 4 is 95. Minus 11 is 84. So it's going to be plus 84. The reason this is so useful is that now we've taken something like this and we can graph it easily as a quadratic. Let's try another one here then. So complete the square is going to, let's try x squared plus 3x plus 10 equals 0, let's say. So here we've got something that's a little different. We want to have the same binomial each time. x plus 3 is not going to work because we're going to be left with 6x, not 3x. So what we have to do is the coefficient is always plus 3 over 2 there. I'll show you why that is. I'm just double checking to see that I'm right. Yes, I am. So x plus 3 over 2 plus 10 equals 0. Now we added something here, so this actually isn't true. It's not equal to 0. We're going to have to multiply this out. So it's x squared plus 3 over 2x plus 3 over 2x plus 9 over 4 minus 9 over 4 plus 10 equals 0. This is true because I have to minus the number that I added. So let's talk about just this section here. So this is x plus 3 over 2 squared. And the reason it worked out is because 1.5x plus 1.5x is 3x. That's why that works out together. And I had to add this 9 over 4, so I have to subtract the 9 over 4 at the same time. So 10 is 40 over 4. So we're going to have minus 9 plus 40 is going to be plus 31 over 4, which equals 0. Or which equals 0, yeah. Usually it'll equal y equals that. And then we could graph this again. But that's the basics of how to complete the square. You want to take half of the coefficient. Actually, let's try another one where it's negative. Let's say this were negative 3. So we'd have x minus 3 over 2. X minus 3 over 2 plus 10. But now we have to figure out what's this number we're going to add in here. So we'll have x squared minus 3 over 2x minus 3 over 2x and then plus 9 over 4. So to subtract 9 over 4 and keep our 10 there. Now we're going to take our section that we know works out a perfect square and we'll have x minus 3 over 2 squared. Whoops. Squared. And again, this is 40 over 4. So minus 9 plus 40 is 31 over 4, and it's positive. So y equals that. So basically, it's just half of whatever the coefficient of x is. That is going to be your term in x plus whatever. But to find out this, you have to add on your term that you needed to add in order to make that equation work. Well, it helps you with complete square.